Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice exponential equation. 3 to the power x cubed over 81 to the power x is equal to 27. We need to find all possible values of x. 3 to the power x cubed divided by, we can write this 81 as 3 to the power 4 whole to the power this power x is equal to 27. Next, 3 to the power x cubed divided by, according to this property of exponents, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. We multiply this power 4 by this power x. So this becomes 3 to the power 4 times x, 4x is equal to 27. Now according to this property of exponents, a to the power m over a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. We can write this 3 to the power x cubed over 3 to the power 4x as 3 to the power x cubed minus 4x is equal to, we can write this 27 as 3 to the power 3. Now because base is same at both sides, at left side is base 3 and at right side the base is 3. So we write this exponent x cubed minus 4x equal to this exponent 3, like this, x cubed minus 4x is equal to 3. Now we move this 3 to the left side, x cubed minus 4x, this positive 3 becomes negative 3 at the left side, is equal to 0. Now this is a cubic equation and can be solved by factorization, because in this expression there is no term with the second power of x. So in this expression x cubed, we add 0 in the form of x squared minus x squared, like this, x cubed plus x squared minus x squared. And because we have 3 here, so we split this negative 4x as, negative 4x as negative x minus 3x. We split this negative 4x as negative x minus 3x. And in the last we write this negative 3. Negative 3 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms, x cubed plus x squared, we can factor out x squared. X squared as a common factor, and in bracket left x plus 1. And from these two terms, negative x squared minus 1x, we can factor out negative x. Negative x as a common factor, and in bracket left x plus 1. And from these two terms, negative 3x minus 3, we can factor out negative 3. Negative 3 as a common factor, and in bracket left x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now as you can see, this expression x plus 1, this expression x plus 1 is a common factor. So we factor out this x plus 1. X plus 1 as a common factor, and in bracket left this x squared, this negative x, and this negative 3. In bracket left x squared minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now from here either this expression x plus 1 is equal to 0 or this expression x squared minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to negative 1. This is the first value of x. And to find other two values, we solve this quadratic equation. This is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. In this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 1 and c is equal to negative 3. And according to quadratic formula, x is equal to minus value of b minus 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c negative 3 divided by 2 times value of a 1. Next, x is equal to this minus and this minus becomes positive 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 squared is 1 and negative 4 times 1 times negative 3 plus 12 divided by 2 times 1 2. Next, x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 12 13 divided by 2. So from here we get two values of x. x2 is equal to 1 plus square root of 13 over 2 and x3 is equal to 1 minus square root of 13 over 2. And we have already found the value of x1 is equal to this negative 1. So these are the three solutions of this equation.